You know, to just walk into a shop and buy a guitar, which you can do now if you know what you're looking for.
Yeah, yeah.
If you don't let the guys in the shop make it sound so really like good through loads of shit, and then you take it on stage and you can't hear it next to the drummer, then you're all right. That's how I feel about it. But you have to, you just get a feel off a guitar.
What speaks to you in a guitar then?
Well, I always try it like that.
Yeah.
If it rings, you know what I mean. You always try it like that, and see, that's got to stand with that.
Yeah.
That's very important, I think, before you even. See, it's got it there. That's the same where it's plugged in and out. And in tune and everything. Really.
What would make you say, oh, I'm going to use the 335 on this, not the Les Paul?
Well, it was the warmth of the song, you know. So again, certain guitars will stand out in my mind for certain parts, and this song was a very warm sounding song, and I just thought this guitar is a very old fashioned sound. If you could put it even on the bass pickup. That kind of playing. Oh, it's a beautiful guitar, yeah. I've had it for about 8 or 9 years now.
What age is that?
61 or 63? 63, sorry.
Oh, nice.
That kind of a sound, yeah. That sort of a sound.
Nice sound. Is that both pickups on? Yeah.
Yeah. Do all that now. Yeah. I couldn't do that before.
Yeah.
Even Francis Rossi can do that now.
When you're using the out of phase thing, how do you set the tone controls? Do you usually?
Oh, they're all up full. Yeah.
Are they?
There you go.
Thank you. Thanks very much.
Thank you.